might need a 5 little to eat real. Hey, here. I'm trying to hurry up before the next
Oh boy. Hey. That thing over at the floor. See that thing on the floor. Down.
Sound good down there. Like he gonna hook. Okay. Big rim over here. Damn. Right now we at I-30 Dragway. Where y'all at? Right lane? Sound monstrous. Let me see something. Here we go. I think the other side got some slicks on it. Let's see if right lane can put the power down. I wonder if he can put that down. He's steady grabbing that gas like that. Let's see something, y'all. Here we go. Oh, shit. Please say that. God damn. Oh, my God. Ain't that? Damn, his wheel look like it about to come off, man. I ain't even get to finish my plate yet. God damn. Damn, man, what about my food? My shit gonna blow away, man. It's already getting light. Ooh, I'm glad he ain't going to that wall or nothing. Oh, zoom. This zoom look like it worked ugly. Yeah, it look like they gon' what's up with it, Rob, one time? Man, I'm trying to get this plate. I don't know if his wheel came off or what, man. I got dirty barbecue fingers right now. Dang. He alright, he ain't hit nothing, y'all. Thankfully, he ain't hit nothing. I'm happy he didn't.
Last Sunday, over at Extreme Raceway, they were racing motorcycles, Saturday and Sunday. I went to the Sunday and I
Hey, I recorded that event. I got it on my YouTube channel. Yeah, I got both days. I was there live. Check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing.
Lookout Racing.
Yes, sir. Lookout Racing.
Hey, you at that team, that food number 10?
Yeah, it's a team.
You want another plate?
Yeah, I might get another plate.
Get ready to 10? You ready to 10 y'all too, huh?
Yeah. I ain't got full. But I might could do 2 more of them ribs.
Yeah.
I give them a 10 because they had everything. Now, it probably was a 9, but that's still a high rating. But the reason they get the full 10 It's because they had the potato salad. It was good. They had the beans with the meat in it. With the meat in it. You gotta have the meat in it. That's a plus. It's right and everything tight. They got the link. They got the right link. You know you can go to the store and buy the wrong link, right? I don't know, but it's the right one. It's the right link. You know you can go buy the wrong barbecue sauce. Yeah, I thought it was, but I wasn't for sure. I wasn't for sure. Yeah, this the brown one, I think.
That's the one I like.
Yeah,
There's another one, Smoky Denmark.
Smoky Denmark, yeah. Yeah. Them the two you can get. Smoky Denmark and Earl Campbell, the two best ones to me.
You need to try some Zumo, man.
Zumo?
That's what we cover around Houston area, the Beaumont area.
I don't know nothing about it.
Well, you need to learn about that, cuz.
I don't mind learning.
Look out Rachel, you got to move around.
What it called? Zumo?
Zumo.
How you spell it?
Z-U-M-M-O.
Z-U-M-M-O, y'all. Y'all heard of them?
Yeah. Zumo Link.
Zumo Link, okay. And they up there with Earl Campbell and what about Smoky Denmark?
I ain't never heard of them.
You ain't heard of them? Okay. Well, they might be up there neck and neck. I'm finna check them out. I'm gonna let you know.
I got some alligator steak in my fridge right now.
Where you get from?
Alright.
Where you get from?
Out of
Oh, yeah. It look like they getting everything situated now. Uh-oh. Yeah, I look like they getting everything situated. They got, I done finished my plate, everything but another hot link. I'll get that to my son. I want more of them. They gave me 2 links. I'm finna, damn, them ribs probably finna be gone when I get back, right? Damn, them bitches, hey, they were good.
alligator sausage, case of steak.
Damn. I gotta walk back down here with all this. Okay, here we come, y'all. Yeah, they.
Well, wait a minute. I'll tell you what. I'll give you the dude's number.
No, they alligator. No, I ain't had none. I need to know what the real deal like. I ain't had the. I only been to Papa those. Is that the real deal? That ain't no real deal.
If you want the real deal, go to Joe's Crab Shack.
Oh, that's real deal up there. Oh shit. They say